everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a Gantt chart with conditional formatting and then save as an Excel template. Normally, we make project schedules with a Gantt chart so that readers can know when a project starts and ends at a glance. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Gantt chart by conditional formatting feature in Excel and save the Gantt chart as an Excel template. In the cell B1, enter a start date. In our case, I will enter the 1st of April 2022. Then calculate the duration days. In the cell D3, enter the following formula: end date minus start date plus 1, and drag the fill handle down to apply this formula to the range you want. Next, we will add dates into this table. In the cell F2, type the following formula. It's equal to the start date. In the cell G2, type the following formula: F2 plus 1, and drag the fill handle right to apply this formula to the range you want. In our case, we apply this formula in range G2 to AI2. Then select the date cells of range F2 to AI2 and click the answer in the number group on the Home tab, and in the Format Cells dialog box, click Custom in Category box, and then enter D, capital D, into the type box and click the OK button. Then in the cell F3, type the following formula. Use the AND function. It checks whether all arguments are true and returns true if all arguments are true. Press tab. For the logical one, select cell F2 greater than or equal to B3, which is the start date, comma, F2 less than or equal to, select cell C3, which is the end date, close the bracket. We will use the if function. It checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another if false. Press tab. For the logical test, proceed with your typed formula. At the end, put a comma. For the value if true, use double quotation, and close the bracket. For the cell F2, we will log the row number by entering a $sign in both logicals, because if we move or apply this formula downward, we do not want the row number to be changed. And for the B3 and C3, we will log the column, because if we want to drag the formula to the right side, we do not want the column name to be changed. And press the enter key. Then drag the fill handle to the range F3 to AI6. Now you will see the date columns are filled by false and blank, as you can see. Next, keep selecting the range F3 to AI6 and click the Home tab. In the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting drop-down list and select New Rule. In the Coming New Formatting Rule dialog box, click to select the Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Select a Rule type box, and in the Format Values whether this formula is true box, type the following formula: F3 is equal to double quotation. Next, click the format button. In the format cells dialog box, go to the fill tab and specify a background color, and then click the OK button. Again, click the OK button to close the format cells dialog box and new formatting rule dialog box, and keep selecting the range F3 to AI6 and hide fonts in this range by clicking the home tab, and in the fonts group clicking the font color drop down list and selecting the white color or any color same as your background color. Now you will see the Gantt chart made by conditional formatting. Next, click the File tab, click Save As, and click the drop down list and select Excel template and click the Save button. As you can see, the file is saved as an Excel template as well. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.